be aware that the information that you're about to hear is subject to change. Please subscribe to my YouTube page for the most current and accurate information. Thank you. Hi, my name is Marissa, and I'm a real estate agent with Century 21 Mission in Oceanside, California. So what is a real estate short sale? That's the question of the week. A real estate short sale is when the owner of a home owes the bank that financed them originally more money than the current market value of the home. These are also known as homeowners who are underwater or upside down. In order for the short sale lender to approve the short sale, there are things that have to happen. And typically you have 1, 2, or 3 lenders that are owed money. So this is where it gets really tricky, because all the lenders have to work together and approve the loan, every single lender. Statistics for homeowners underwater are staggering. It is said that over 12 million homeowners will be upside down on their mortgages by Q4 of 2011. In San Diego County, Q1 2011 showed that 26% of our homeowners were underwater. While compared to Phoenix, they have a 68.4% in Q1 of underwater homeowners. And Pittsburgh, which is one of the lower ones, makes us look bad, with only 6.8 underwater homeowners, or 6.8%. So that is, those Chase is offering up to $30,000 to their underwater homeowners. And that is a hefty incentive. I think that if they came to my door, knocked, and said sell for $30,000, I just might take it. We have programs like HAFA and Keep Your Home California, who help with reload costs. From going after the homeowner for the deficiency. And that's a whole nother topic to talk about. But right now, current law states that neither the firsts or the seconds or the thirds, meaning the lenders, can come after you if you are in this position. Subject to change, and my thoughts are that they will change. Through a real estate short sale, I can help you sell your home quickly and for top market value. You pay absolutely 0 commissions and no closing costs. Seven-year foreclosure rating. So these foreclosures do stay on your credit for a period of 7 years. That's a long time. That means no credit cards and no cars at a good interest rate, of course. They will lend, the lenders out there, at a 21 to 29% interest rate. And that's something you just don't want to have. A short sale typically affects your credit for less than a year. Although sometimes the lenders rate it on your credit report as a redeemed foreclosure, the points in what I've experienced with the clients that I've had through a short sale on the FICO are a lot different than if it is an actual foreclosure, not a redeemed foreclosure. So if you are on the fence about the two, know that a foreclosure lasts for 7 years and a short sale might affect your credit for about 1 year. And then after that, your points will go up. With a short sale, again, you can walk away from your home with no debt and in most cases, no tax consequences. For more information or for any questions you may have, please feel free to contact me by scanning the barcode or reaching me on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. Thanks so much for watching and make it a great day.